Who do you have?
A guinea pig.
And what's her name?
I can't say it.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
It's Claire.
Claire.
You love her?
Mhm.
Want to pet her?
Mhm. I guess.
But a little more gentle.
This here.
Don't touch her ear. No.
I.
Is she soft?
Hmm?
What's your name? Give me that thumb. What's your name, little girl?
4.
What's your name?
I'm 4.
No, you're not. What's your
What?
name?
Molly.
Molly what?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
As you say.
What?
As you say.
Oh, don't let her get away. Oh, there we go. I got the guinea pig. You want to hold her?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Get in here.
Oh, yep, she likes to go in the blankets. Snuggle bug. She's a snuggle bug, huh? Are you a snuggle bug?
Mhm.
Where's your bed? Yeah, right. Who's making all that noise, Molly?
Dog.
What's his name?
It's Holden. He's scaring the guinea pig.
No, I think they're used to hearing that. Wait, tell Claire not to be scared of Holden. Tell her that everything's okay.
Claire, you're scared of Holden?
Tell her that you'll protect her.